Today we will create a memo game. The goal of the game is to memorize of cards and open them in pairs. We will implement this game using JavaScript. As usual, starting off with a HTML template. Our cards will be elements of the table. For simplicity, our cards will contain just numbers. Later you can extend the game and use some images instead. Let's do some JavaScript here. First of all, define a couple of variables. Initially, game field will be 3 by 2, but you can adjust these values later. Create field function will create required table elements. It will be rows and columns. Also, we store reference to each cell in two-dimensional array called cells. This will be used in future. Once we have all table elements in place, we can define some styles. For simplicity, each card will be rectangular block 75 by 100 pixels with rounded corners. Now we can check the first results in the browser. For the game we will need two functions. Starting with opening the card. Basically, we just need to show card value and change background color from gray to something else. Color should help to remember where is every card pair. Here let's make a step back and let's look at our palette. Imagine that we have only 3 different cards and you can see what will be the colors. Close card function will do the opposite. It will remove card text and will make it gray again. Before we start the game, we need to shuffle the cards. As usual, there are multiple ways how to do it. I start with generating an array for all card pairs. And then for each table cell I pick and remove random element of the array. This will be value of the card. In the beginning of the game we should show this card. In other words, open the card. For now, the initialization function will just shuffle the cards. If we refresh the browser, we see 3 pairs of cards. After game is started, we need to show the player all open cards, and then after a couple of seconds we need to close them. Let's implement this logics. Now it's time to implement what happens when a player clicks on the card. This is the most tricky part where we need to handle several cases. First of all, we cannot click on already open card. Then if there was no card opened, we just open the clicked card. However, if there was a card opened, we need to check if it was a different card clicked and if it has the same value. If so, we keep both cards open. Otherwise, we close both cards and give player another attempt. Last part is to implement a check if the game is over. It happens when all cards are open. In this case, just show a message about it and start game again. Now we are done with the coding and we can try the game in the browser.